Fedora Linux 44 is here. What's new in the latest release? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting Linux releases of 2026. Fedora Linux 44 is officially available for download. Fedora has always been the go-to distribution for users who want the latest open source technologies without sacrificing too much stability. It's sponsored by Red Hat. It's a true community driven project that serves as a testing ground for innovation that often make their way into enterprise environments. If you are on Fedora 43 or thinking about trying Linux for the first time, this release brings some meaningful improvements across the board. Desktop environments get a fresh update. Starting with the flagship Fedora workstation, it now ships with the GNOME 50. This version focuses on polish and refinement rather than flashy new features. You will notice better accessibility options, improved color management, enhanced remote desktop capabilities, and smoother performance on high DPI displays and variable refresh rate monitors. Many core apps like the File Manager, Document Viewer, and Calendar have also received nice updates. For fans of the KDE Plasma desktop spin, Fedora 44 includes Plasma 6.6. It defaults to the new Plasma Login Manager, and there is a brand new post-install Plasma setup application that provides a cleaner, more unified out-of-the-box experience. Expect refinements in theming, screenshots, on-screen keyboard, and hardware integration like automatic brightness adjustment. Other spins also got love. The Budgie edition now features Budgie 10.10, which is fully VLAN only. And if you are into lightweight options, there are refreshed spins with XFCE, LXQT, Cinnamon, Matte, and more. Now, about the gaming and compatibility improvements. Gamers and Wine users have a reason to celebrate. Fedora 44 enables the NTSYNC kernel module by default for Wine and gaming related packages. This should deliver better performance and synchronization in Windows compatibility layers, making Proton, Wine, and Steam gaming feel even smoother on Linux. The Fedora Games Lab has also been modernized. It has moved away from XFCE to KDE Plasma for a stronger VLAN foundation and a higher quality gaming and game development experience. Now, under the hood, kernel, toolchain, and system changes. At the core, Fedora 44 runs on the Linux 6.19 kernel series. This brings better hardware support, performance tweaks, and improved power management. On the developer and system side, there is a lot happening. The entire toolchain has been refreshed with GCC 16.1, LLVM 22, new Benutils 2.46, glibc 2.43, and updates to the languages like Go 1.26, Ruby 4.0, PHP 8.5, and more. DNF5 is now the backend for PackageKit, making graphical package management more consistent and efficient with the command line tool. Support for the Nix Package Manager has been added, giving developers easy access to Nix powerful reproducible package ecosystem right in Fedora. The Anaconda installer no longer creates default network profiles for every detected devices. This reduces clutter and makes post-install network reconfiguration much cleaner. Live USB images now support automatic persistent overlays and better out-of-the-box booting on AR64, which is ARM64 EFI systems, including Windows on ARM laptops. Other notable tweaks include swappable bin packages for Node.js, hard linking identical files in packages by default for smaller downloads, and switching Fedora clouds or boot to a BTRFS subvolume. Now, a milestone for reproducibility and packaging. Fedora 44 is the first release where all package builds are expected to be reproducible. This is a big step forward for security, trust, and build integrity across the distribution. New RPM macros have also been introduced to make packaging for the R language easier and more standardized. So, who should upgrade or try it? If you are already running Fedora 43, upgrading is straightforward using the DNF system upgrade tool. Just make sure to back up important data first, as always with major version jumps. For new users, Fedora 44 continues to strike an excellent balance between cutting-edge software and everyday usability. Whether you are a developer, gamer, content creator, or just want a beautiful and reliable desktop, there is a spin for you. So, how to get Fedora 44? Head over to the official Fedora website at fedoraproject.org to download the ISO images. There are options for workstation, which has GNOME desktop, KDE Plasma, server, cloud, atomic desktops like Silverblue, and all the community spins. You can also use Fedora Media Writer for an easy USB creation experience. Now, final thoughts. Fedora 44 feels like a mature, well-rounded release. It pushes Wayland forward, improves the developer experience with tools like Nix and DNF5. It delivers better gaming support and continues Fedora's tradition of shipping the latest stable technologies. So, what do you think? Are you planning to upgrade or install Fedora 44? Let me know in the comments. Especially if you are excited about GNOME 50, the Nix integration, or the gaming improvements. If you found this video helpful, give it up a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Linux content. And hit the bell so you don't miss future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.